It's something that is a legacy. And it's not just from Georgetown High School. All the groups will get together and be able to come later, 20, 30 years from now, and say, when Mom and Dad, we were in high school or grade school, we painted this, and take pictures in front of it, and for the community to really enjoy it for a long, long time to come.
Georgetown has been designated by the Texas Commission on the Arts as a cultural district because our community has so many arts and cultural assets. Georgetown's proud of our downtown. We want to preserve the history that makes our community culturally rich. The Georgetown Arts and Culture Board was approached by Georgetown High School art instructor Angie Morin. She wanted her students to create a piece of public art, and one of the visions at the beginning was to add on to the mural every year. This location that we did finally select is a huge wall. It's located on the building where the old Georgetown Municipal Court was located, and now is home to Tejas Meat Supply.
We felt like we wanted to originally give them kind of the business side of making art. One thing that happened, which we kind of didn't expect, is when we had that year-long break, we came back around with the current students. We had added a very large amount of art history to the curriculum. By the end of the year, it kind of took on a new meaning, and the students kind of saw it as a reflection of themselves being left behind, this legacy that they get to have, kind of like what they saw all in that art history curriculum.
I was super happy when my design was chosen for the Arts and Culture Board because I was just very excited to display my message and kind of like my morals of how I grew up with like my family, and I think everyone should get to know that everyone deserves kindness. I'm most excited for the future generations to come and do their own designs and to connect them. It does a lot of good in the world.
This project is meant to accomplish for the students and the community. It's something very important to me, really, and I think it's going to be very important to the students. I really want them to realize that they are valued. And I mean, I think that was proven by all of the funding we got. We got a grant from the Education Foundation, and then we got, a stipend from the Arts and Culture Board. I think that they really see that they are important and that they are valued. That to me is very important. I wanted them to know that, that they can make art something that everybody sees, and they'll leave that legacy behind, but they also will leave a part of themselves behind,